I'd start to visualise things that were happening. I'd catastrophise things. I was super hypervigilant. I'd be scared all the time. There was a moment for me, and I talk about it quite openly. I was driving to a night shift. I pulled over side of the road and I was just bawling my eyes out. I was having a panic attack. I didn't realise at the time.
I feel like when we talk about the financial side of things and the whole work injury side of what a workplace injury looks like, again, is like an unspoken thing. And we know that if anyone got told that they weren't going to have a job tomorrow, their first natural question would be, how the hell am I going to support myself or my family for the rest of our lives?
I was very depressed, very anxious. It must have been my partner that said, hey, you've got to speak to someone. I think I was just told that's what you got to do.
You know, do I still have capacity to be employed? And that unknown is so scary. You know, walking into Law Partners was probably that next point where I felt like, I didn't have to fight the battle anymore. So they were the first parts of the experience of hope.
I was definitely ashamed walking in there at first. Also not knowing what the process, what the workers' compensation claim entailed, but having been guided step by step from day dot to day end, at least now I had that relief that someone was looking out for me, whereas previously no one was.
I could put trust in someone else, and that I believed from that point that things would maybe be okay, that I could just fight the battle of recovery and that everything else would just look after itself.